Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here together with me, and I hope you guys already are preparing for Christmas season and you are thinking what you're gonna buy for your family members or your friends. And sometimes I know that you guys if you watch me that you probably like fragrances same like me, and sometimes probably you are wondering, should you buy as a present perfumes for your family members or colleagues? And but then probably you have this certain doubts in that perhaps to buy perfume as a Christmas gift is not the greatest thing. And to be honest, the topic will be of today is gonna be this topic. So I want to offer you or suggest for you to if you decide to buy fragrances as a Christmas, so what perfumes would be the safest perfumes to buy for Christmas, as a Christmas gift? And I will be speaking only about Middle Eastern perfumes. So first perfume I will show you. If you want to buy a perfume for a lady and you don't know that if she likes perfumes or you don't, or she likes it or she doesn't like, and you don't know much about that lady, the safest perfume to buy would be Dirham Vardi, guys. So Dirham Vardi, so that's the perfume would be the safest perfume to buy. The reason why, because I cannot imagine a person that wouldn't like this perfume, because it's a very nice white floral perfume with jasmine, and this type of white floral that it would look that you would need to pay much more for this perfume than what it is. And I paid very little for this perfume because it was half price, so it was like around 10 euro or maybe 13 euro. So that's how cheap it is, and I really enjoy this fragrance, guys, so much. It's I got compliments, and I think it can leave people a little bit mesmerized if they smell this perfume on you. So I consider, guys, this perfume the safest type of gift for any lady, no matter if you know that lady or you don't know that lady. If you know that person really likes perfume, if you get this one, you will have no regrets. So that's perfume Dirham Vardi, or in other words, pink dirham. Let's go to another one right now. Another one. If you know that the person likes fragrances at least a little bit and likes to experience new perfumes, I recommend you guys to get this Ragba perfume. It's not the safest type of gift, but if it can end up that the person can thank you, after getting this perfume. But don't buy this perfume if you don't know the person at all. It's only if you know that person likes perfumes, at least little bit. So Ragba is gonna be ambery woody perfume. It's the most beautiful ambery scent that I ever had, and all the single time, guys, I enjoy wearing it, and I'm getting compliments with this perfume so much. So that's another perfume that I would recommend you guys to get. Let's say if you want to get a gift for your father, or for your husband, or for anyone, especially like let's say if you don't want to buy a cheap gift and you want to get like a beautiful perfume, but you don't want to spend that much, this one costs around like 30 euro, and the glory of this perfume will be beautiful. This perfume, buy it if you know that person is into perfumes and perhaps a little bit wouldn't mind to experience something different, or has Middle Eastern background. So that means this type of incensey smell will not disturb them, but only make them happy. So this gift is perfect, like a royal type of gift if you want to give as for a person, for your father, for your husband, or perhaps for a lady as well that wouldn't mind just to experience tiny bit of masculine smell in the perfume. This perfume is unisex, guys, unisex. So another perfume, if you would like to get a Tom Ford dupe Black Orchid, so you could get that one. If you know that the person likes Black Orchid, guys, so remember this perfume. Or even though, like, let's say, if they don't know Black Orchid, but let's say, you want to get a perfume that would mesmerize them by the uniqueness. If you get this one, guys, the person can thank you. This perfume, it's perfect, it's unisex, it's for man and for woman, and they will thank you for this. They will really thank you. I got compliments, guys, with this perfume. And this perfume, it's unusual and unique. Unusual, unique, and not too overpowering, not too overpowering. That's why it's suitable as a gift. I think it would go perhaps as a second perfume, as a gift after Dirham Wardi for me. Oud 24 Hours by Ard Al Zaafaran. Another perfume, this one, guys, is a unisex perfume, but I recommend you to buy it for lady because the smell is really slightly, leaning towards feminine, guys, feminine. So if you get this perfume, I don't know, who wouldn't like it. It's versatile, guys. This smell is versatile, and it's basically, imagine, like, let's say those common perfumes as, let's say, Lady Million. If you top it up with some kind of nice Middle Eastern smell, if you top it up, and that makes things much more unique. So this perfume is unique, versatile perfume with some like oomph, with some interest and uniqueness. I would recommend you guys this perfume to buy as a gift for ladies, because for man would be slightly too sweet. That's what I would recommend you. Another Middle Eastern perfume that I would recommend for, let's say, if it's for lady, then buy it only if lady is adventurous in terms of perfumes. But I actually would recommend you guys to buy this perfume for man because it has this smoky vibe, In other words, overall, guys, buy this perfume for, doesn't matter who, it's unisex, but, a little bit perhaps know that they like Middle Eastern vibe, just a bit, think about that. Pretty much, guys, if you decide to buy perfume, maybe think about if the person is using perfumes overall, and this one is kind of safe gift because it's actually very, very likable and also has this type of smoky vibe that especially mans perhaps would like it, but ladies likes it too. It's a cozy perfume and it looks very, very beautiful. You can buy this gift for your father, or for your mother. It's so this perfume looks so unique, guys, so unique, and the smell is beautiful too. I think whoever buy this perfume, it's Amir Al Oud Intense, they end up liking it, and they even end up buying it another, more after this. That's what I heard, from other people. So more perfumes. What we got here, this perfume, if you know that person likes Baccarat Rouge, you can get this dupe to Baccarat Rouge and you will experience that this perfume, guys, is a dupe to Baccarat Rouge. And I would recommend to buy this perfume more for ladies because of the sweeter notes. And this perfume, it's like, if a person loves perfumes, get this one. It's very cheap, guys. Super, super cheap. And it's so interesting, so royal, it's such a beautiful gift to give for anyone. Like, let's say myself, I would be so happy to get this perfume as a gift, if I wouldn't have it. And I think each lady would like to have it if they likes perfumes in general. So Anna Abiath Rouge by Lattafa, the prices could be below €15. Really recommend you this perfume, guys. It's one of my favorites. Another perfume. Now let's talk about perfumes for man. I have two, guys. One of them, so let's say if you don't know the person, you don't know the people, and let's say you don't know what to buy and you decided to buy some kind of perfume that would be safe. So if you don't want to buy perfume that would be too overpowering, with oud or anything like that, these perfumes I consider in a similar line because they are very simple. They are not overpowering, they are so simple, and perhaps, you wouldn't surprise anyone with these two perfumes, but also I think they will not discuss anyone. So the price range is I think this one is more expensive. This one is Aqua Invictus clone, and this one, not a clone for anything. I think it's just Dirham Gold. And I consider, guys, these two perfumes simple. I don't know if you want me to take it out, from the box. I started my Middle Eastern perfumes collection, guys, with these perfumes. What I didn't like it is that it felt really masculine, It felt masculine. It's kind of fresh masculine type of vibe, which is beautiful if you're a man, but if you're a lady, it's not. And they are, considered, these perfumes, guys, they are considered unisex, but it's not the smell, the smell doesn't feel like that would be for lady. So these two perfumes, guys, they are for man. They are the most simple perfumes, freshies, like, let's say, as if it would be Nautica Voyage, or let's say Calvin Klein, any of them. Even perhaps they are more interesting than Calvin Klein, but they are kind of on that simplicity type of range. So let's say, so if these are both for man. So let's say myself, if I now need to buy perfume for a lady, I would choose this one because it's so like simple and so likable and so fresh and so kind of that type of, looks like a niche perfume, that each woman would like to have it, and would like to spray it every day. So this one is for person that you don't know or know, and this one is a person that you would like to, kind of impress a little bit with your purchase. So these two perfumes I think would be my top go perfumes for Christmas, to buy as a Christmas day. These two, I think I would buy it. Not I think, but I'm 100% sure that I would buy it for lady, but this one is unisex, guys. So I will finish my video at that. I hope it helped you in any way, and perhaps it will help you, to decide to buy for yourself as well. And let me think about what would I wear for Christmas time. I think for Christmas time, guys, I will be wearing maybe Pour Oudi by Lattafa, but I will think about it. But the topic is not about that. It's more about what perfumes to buy, not for yourself, but for other people. I hope you made that decision and like this video. I will come back to you soon. Bye-bye, guys.